Now I got it.
Here's your Valentine's Day present. There's your ball. Do you feel the air? Here you go. And here's the pen. We have to set it up. Well, she was very excited a minute ago. Now she's going to be quiet. Look at all these cute little animals. Isn't that cute? Look, Belle likes it. What do you think? Is that fun? Oh, goodness. Here's the doggy, and the bear, and the giraffe, and the kitty cat. Meow. Yeah. And another doggy. And another bear. I don't know what a giraffe does. He eats leaves up high. They squeak! They squeak! Is that fun? Here comes the kitty. Meow. Here's the ball. Let's feel the air.